Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today I'll be covering what to do when the front of your lace feels like it's not fitting flush to your skin. So what I do first is I check the adjustable strap inside of the wig. This wig didn't have one inside, so I just applied it inside of the wig. This is the first step to helping the wig fit on your head securely. As you can see, the hairline is more flush to the skin, and this is how you want your wig to sit on your skin. If you still feel like the wig is not flush against your skin, there's two more steps that you can do. So inside of this wig, I adjusted the band and made it fit tighter. Now this band is available in most wigs, but with the Luxe Beauty Essentials wig, we definitely have the adjustable strap that can make the wig fit tighter or looser. Another final step you can take is by adjusting the straps that come at the bottom of the wig. Almost every single wig on the market has these straps, and in order to make it fit the tightest possible, I like to crisscross these bands. Now once I've done both of those things, I've applied the wig, and literally this wig is so flush to the mannequin head, and that is how it will fit on your head if you apply both tips. Now bear in mind, if the wig is already too big for your head and you apply both of these tricks, then the wig will have some lumping towards the back. However, this isn't a problem if your hair covers it sufficiently. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you want me to cover anything else to do with wigs, please comment down below.